Hydrogen engines. Before we delve into the history, let's understand how hydrogen engines work and what goes into making one. Hydrogen engines, at their core, are internal combustion engines. They operate on a similar principle to the engines in most cars on the road today. But instead of burning gasoline or diesel fuel, they burn hydrogen. The basic working principle of a hydrogen engine involves the intake of air and hydrogen into a combustion chamber, where they are ignited. The resulting explosion forces a piston to move, which in turn drives the vehicle's wheels. But what goes into a hydrogen engine? The key components include a hydrogen tank, a fuel cell stack, and an electric motor. The hydrogen tank stores the hydrogen gas that the engine uses as fuel. The fuel cell stack is where the magic happens.